Celebrity Cuts in Greensboro, North Carolina is the Triad's upscale location for barber and beauty services. Enjoy everything from basic hair cutting and styling for men, women, and children to male luxury services like hot lather shaves and relaxing facials. Our professional staff specializes in edge-up and shear techniques. Ladies, come enjoy a day of beauty with us and get your hair, skin, and nails taken care of all in one luxe location. Take advantage of our celebrity specialties like relaxers, eclectic cuts for long and short hair, spa facials, and braiding and weaving. Make Celebrity Cuts your destination for barber and beauty, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. 7 days a week. 1700 Friendly Avenue in Greensboro. Make appointments online at www.celebritycuts.com or call 888-555-CUTS. Celebrity Cuts, where stars are born.